Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special in store for you. 50 powerful I am affirmations that are here to ignite positive change in your life. If you're ready to reprogram your subconscious mind and unlock your full potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turned on the notification bell so you never miss out on any transformative content. Life is all about the energy you bring into it, and with these affirmations, you're about to supercharge your energy with positivity, self-belief, and the limitless possibilities that the universe holds. So find a quiet spot, take a moment to center yourself, and let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment together. Are you excited? Because I know I am. Let's dive right into these life-changing I am affirmations. Repeat after me aloud or silently in your mind. Let's begin. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. I am resilient and can overcome any challenges that come my way. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am confident in my abilities and believe in myself. I am attracting positive energy and abundance into my life. I am letting go of past mistakes and embracing my future. I am worthy of self-care and making time for myself. I am creating a life filled with purpose and meaning. I am letting go of negative thoughts and embracing positivity. I am deserving of good health and take care of my body. I am worthy of forgiveness, both from others and myself. I am embracing change and trusting the journey. I am releasing fear and stepping into my power. I am attracting supportive and loving relationships into my life. I am tapping into my inner wisdom and intuition. I am letting go of comparison and celebrating my uniqueness. I am worthy of success and all the rewards it brings. I am creating a life that aligns with my values and passions. I am transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. I am attracting abundance in all areas of my life. worthy of respect and setting healthy boundaries. I am embracing the present moment and finding joy in it. I am releasing old beliefs that no longer serve me. I am manifesting my dreams through focused intention. I am letting go of self-doubt and stepping into my confidence. I am radiating positivity and attracting it from others. I am choosing happiness and letting go of negativity. I am open to giving and receiving love unconditionally. I am tapping into my inner strength to overcome obstacles. I am worthy of success and all the rewards it brings. I am embracing uncertainty and trusting the process of life. I am attracting financial abundance and prosperity. I am letting go of the need for perfection and embracing growth. I am worthy of pursuing my passions and following my heart. I am creating a life that brings me joy and fulfillment. I am releasing worry and embracing a peaceful mind. I am attracting opportunities that align with my purpose. I am worthy of love and respect from myself and others. I am tapping into my inner creativity and expressing myself fully. I'm letting go of judgment and practicing self-compassion. I am embracing change as a catalyst for positive transformation. I am attracting success and achievement effortlessly. I am releasing old patterns and making way for new beginnings. I am worthy of all the good that life has to offer. I am trusting the universe to guide me in the right direction. I am letting go of the past and creating a bright future. I am grateful for the journey of self-discovery and growth. And there you have it, my wonderful viewers. 50 I am affirmations that have the power to reshape your mindset and transform your life. Remember, the key to making these affirmations work for you is consistency. Commit to repeating them daily for at least 21 days and watch as your thoughts, beliefs, and reality align in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of self-improvement and positivity. If you found value in these affirmations, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Stay dedicated, stay positive, and remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Until next time, keep shining your light, and I'll see you in the next video.